instead of scrolling through emails and Excel sheets. What if your business data was available to you as an interactive dashboard? What if you could collaborate on this data, decide what action to take, create reminders and automate triggers directly from your personalized dashboard? On Jigsaw, you can do this without any coding, training, integration, or upfront cost. Jigsaw is a no-code analytics platform that transforms your company's data journey into a visual and collaborative workspace. In less than 2 minutes, configure a custom data report onto Jigsaw. Select team members who can access the report. Jigsaw then automates this report and delivers immersive dashboards which you can collaborate on the go. Jigsaw aims to maximize every company's business potential by perfecting its data journey. Become an early adopter by signing up to our pilot program today at no cost or no commitment and get 3 months free. Visit www.clickjigsaw.com today or email us on hello@clickjigsaw.com.